Hello, everybody. How are you? I feel happy. Please open your English notebook. Inside, please write, today is. What day is today? Today is. Great job! Please write it in your English notebook. Next, go look outside and see what the weather's like. In your notebook, please write, the weather is. Great job, everybody. Next, you're going to watch a YouTube video. The video talks about the verb have got in the third person for he, which is masculine, for a boy, or she, which is feminine, for a girl. Are you a boy, masculine, or a girl, feminine? Good job. All right. After you watch the video, please type a comment saying one toy and who that toy belongs to. Does the toy belong to a he or a she? Please write your sentence using has got. For example, she has got a ball. Easy peasy. All right, everybody. Good luck and have fun. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.